Akpabio calls for unity, nations building among lawmakers. Senate President Godswill Akpabio urged fellow senators to set aside personal differences and unite for the common goal of good governance and nation building. Senator Akpabio made this call as the Nigerian Senate resumed from its Christmas and New Year's recess, emphasizing the need for strategic collaboration between the Federal Executive Council and the National Assembly. Akpabio highlighted the importance of addressing challenges to realize President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda.
It is our duty to justify the trust vested in us by diligently addressing the challenges facing our nation and striving for the betterment of society. As distinguished senators, we have a unique platform to effect change and advocate for our constituents' interests. History and future generations will not forgive us if we squander this opportunity or fail to leave our mark on the annals of time. Let us use our time in this revered chamber to delve into pressing issues, engage in passionate and respectful debates, and craft legislations that reflect the needs and aspirations of the people of Nigeria in general. In the coming months, we will face a multitude of challenges, from economic recovery to healthcare reforms to national security and even social justice. It is imperative that we approach these issues with a spirit of collaboration, brotherhood, love, and commitment to finding common ground in order for this country to move forward. Let us rise above partisan divides and work together, transcending party lines for the greater good of our great nation. Our patriotism demands that we need no other call except Nigeria's call, the call echoed in our national anthem. Let us continue to work and collaborate with the executive arm of government under His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu without compromising our independence as enshrined in the Nigerian Constitution.